I got you on 1 and 2.
Oh, it's over. Here's switchies.
Thank you. Bless your heart, queen.
Bless your heart. Okay,
Here's
you're speaking my language.
Say this blinker. Are you coming down?
I am.
Where?
I am.
Didn't know that. I'll say that shit.
Getting pervert shots of you. Wait, I gotta. Alex, please.
Yo, these motherfuckers smell like dog treats, bro. They smell like I'm on that good Chex Mix.
You smell like throw up tomorrow.
It does smell like dog food.
Dog food, yeah.
Yeah, I smell it.
What?
Okay, we should throw it away.
What are you doing to these baklava? What the fuck?
Oh,
Wait. And this nigga eating them.
it's good.
Oh, bro.
But it tastes like the essence of like, I know you're overdue. Didn't know that just means that I fuck with baklava enough to be like, I would eat it.
He admits he's a dog. He's been a dog this whole time.
I've been barking at the shows, like that was no issue. Scary ass stairs.
Yeah! Did you hear it? No. Right there! Listen again.
What the fuck are you talking about? Like, I did not know what he was talking about. He was just saying everything very vague. But he was talking about the gate so they can get in.
Yeah.
So that makes so much more sense.
Make sure it is open.
Yeah, I was like, what the
Make sure the thing.
I was like, what the
open.
fuck do you mean is open?
You know.
It.
Make sure the thing is done. What thing?
Exactly.
What's done?
You already know.
Why? For who?
Wait, did I give you the address, Misha?
No, but I'm just finding parking.
You know where we going.
Hold on. Can I park here? Is it on the 15-minute loading zone? Yeah, we can park here. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
Oh my god, thank you, baby.
I love the camera.
Thank you. It's my friends. He said, yeah. He said go explore.
As you should.
Oh my gosh, okay, what are y'all's names?
I'm Jacob.
Okay, Jacob.
I'm Aaron.
Hi, Aaron.
Jaden.
Jaden.
Happy birthday, Len.
Happy birthday, Len.
What's your name?
I'm Aurora.
As Aurora should.
As Aurora should.
Gorgeous enough.
Do you guys want to take a shot with me? Alright, let's take a shot. Alright, shot. Cheers.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Ugh. That's rough.
That was rough.
That was rough. Dude, that shot was so fucking hard. It tasted like fucking alcohol, like rubbing alcohol. Well, it was alcohol. Bye. Fuck.
I'm locked in for real.
Okay.
Bitch, you take the whole shot. Hold on. If you had a birthday cake, what kind of cake would it be?
If I had a birthday cake, probably, if it was homemade, it would be chocolate.
Just chocolate.
Recording.
Don't spill. Okay, I'll stop recording.
Alright, well.
Drug dealers among us.
Thank you.